Hi, hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I made this video because to share the technical interview and HR interview experience of Wipro. Guys, basically Wipro NLTH interview rounds are already done and they have already selected people. But recently they are all sending about that you have been shortlisted for technical interview and sending survey links to know about your interest. They send survey links to many people, but till now there is no update regarding the interview. I think the interviews will start from August onwards. Let's get started. Firstly, I will share the technical interview questions and after that I will share you HR round questions. So see the video till the end. The time duration for this technical interview round was about 30 minutes and the first question is introduce yourself. So tell them about yourself and mention the projects and internships that you have done. Second question is they asked about project. To explain your project in detail, that is implementation part. So explain your project like algorithmic steps. They have also asked about the software and hardware requirements of our project and also problem statement of the project. They have asked so many questions from my project, so be prepared with your project so that you can able to answer for any question. And after that he asked me, did you completed any internship? If you have done any internship, so tell them about that internship. And next question is difference between hardware and software. The main difference between hardware and software is hardware is physical parts computer that cause processing of data and software is a set of instructions that tells a computer exactly what to do. Next question is what is normalization and explain the types of normalization. Basically normalization is used to minimize the redundancy from the relation. Relation is nothing but a table. Basically, there are six types of normal forms, but we only use four types. Those are first normal form, second normal form, third normal form, and BCNF. And tell them the conditions for those normal forms. Next question is what is primary key and what is foreign key? For every table, at least we must have one primary key. We use foreign key for reference. For example, there are two tables. If you need to refer those two tables, we need foreign key. A foreign key is a set of attributes in a table that refers to the primary key of another table. This is called a foreign key. After that, they have asked types of SQL join. There are four types of SQL join: inner join, left join, right join, and full join. Refer examples and definitions for this. Next question is what is a pointer? Normally pointer is used to store the reference of another variable. It stores address value. We use asterisk to declare a pointer. Next he asked me to write a program to check the given number is palindrome or not. I have written the code in C language. You can write in any language based on your preference. Firstly, store the given number in another variable. After that, write the logic for reversing a number and check whether the reverse number and original number is equal or not. If it is equal, we can say that number is a palindrome. If not, it is not a palindrome. This is the logic for that. After that, he has asked to write code for creating a linked list in data structures. So you need to write the logic for that. Just for creating a linked list and inserting a value into a linked list. After that, he asked what is dynamic memory location and types of dynamic memory locations. There are four functions for dynamic memory allocation: malloc function, calloc function, realloc function, and free function. Malloc function is used to allocate a single large block of memory with a specified size. Calloc function is used to dynamically allocate the specified number of blocks of memory of a specified type. Realloc is for reallocation of memory and free function is used to deallocate the memory. which we are created using malloc and calloc. Next question is, what is polymorphism? One name having many forms is nothing but polymorphism. For example, take an example of yourself. You become son for your father and but brother for your sister, husband for your wife. You, the person is same, but you're having many forms like son, brother, and husband. This is the example for polymorphism. And final question is, what is a graph? Graph is a non-linear data structure. It has having more than two childrens. This is about the technical interview experience. Now I will share you the HR round questions. First question is, how are you? And next one is, tell me about yourself. And next question is, I have mentioned in my resume that I have participated in so and so event. So that he asked me, what type of event did you participated? And after that he asked me, what do you learn from this event? Next one is, what are the challenges that you have faced in your life? Tell the challenges that you have faced in your life. Next question is, why should I hire you? This is the common HR question. You can search for this question in Google. Next one is, why you choose Wipro as your career? And next question is, do you learn any technologies related to your branch in this pandemic period? And next one is, he asked my inspiration that who is your inspiration and why you choose that person as your inspiration. And after that he has asked some basic questions like, do you like to relocate? Do you have any backlogs? Do you know the agreement bond and are you ready for that bond? Like these questions he has asked. This is the whole interview experience of Wipro NLTH, both the technical interview and HR round. If you like the video, please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Turn on the notification for latest updates. If you have any queries, comment me down and post that question in our Telegram group mentioned in the description. Thank you for watching.